Okay, let's start with window icon. Try to type in this to search, create and format hard disk partition. Now we will see and disk management window open. And you can see here in my computer I have two physical hardware disks, disk 0 and disk 1. In disk 0 I have the disk drive C and drive D. And now let's check in a folder. You can see that the drive C in a red color, it means that the drive C needs more space. And that I look on drive D. Drive D have more free space there. And in this demo I will try to extend drive C with the free space of drive D. But currently the drive D, they store some data, and those data need to be backed up. You can copy them to the drive E or drive F or external USB. It depends on you. Now come back to disk management. We select drive D and select the string volume. In the string volume window, it shows us some information about the total size of the drive D, the available space in drive D, and the amount of space you want to stream. Here I choose 10 GB and click stream. Now you can see an allocated space 10 GB is separate from drive D. We create a new volume from this amount of space. And here you can see any name for the new disk. Okay, and we complete creating the new disk. Now we can check on the folder. We can see here the new volume H on that D here. And now we back up the data from the drive D to drive H. Just copy and paste data from drive D to drive H. And now we back up all data to drive H. Now we come back to disk management. We select drive D and we delete the volume. After delete the volume, all space in drive D is unallocated space, and we choose the drive C extend volume, and we can see all space in drive D now belong to drive C. And now we try to change the name of the new volume H we created before. Click property and change to any name that you want. Now we turn back to the folder and check. We can see here the drive C is extended already. Okay, well done. I really hope that my video and explanation is useful for you. If you get any issue, please comment to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you then in the next one.